Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Garmin Fenix 6 Pro. To begin, power on your watch by pressing and holding the top left button for a few seconds. You'll navigate through all the features using the intuitive 5-button layout. The top right button, labeled Start/Stop, is your gateway to starting activities and accessing various settings. When you need to go back or mark a lap, simply press the bottom right \lap button. It's quite straightforward once you get the hang of it. The Fenix 6 Pro excels at tracking your activities. You can choose from more than 30 preloaded sports apps, covering everything from trail running to open water swimming. To start, select your desired activity, and the watch will quickly acquire a GPS signal, usually within a few seconds in open areas. During your workout, you'll see real-time data like your current pace, distance covered, and heart rate. After you finish, a comprehensive summary is available right on your wrist, or you can dive deeper into the data using the Garmin Connect app. Beyond fitness, the Fenix 6 Pro offers a suite of smart features. You'll get notifications for incoming calls, text messages, and app alerts, keeping you connected without needing your phone. You can also control your music directly from the watch, perfect for those long runs. Customization is key. Choose from hundreds of watch faces and arrange data fields to display exactly what you want. Plus, with Garmin Pay, you can make quick, contactless payments at many stores, leaving your wallet at home. The Fenix 6 Pro is also a powerful health companion. It continuously monitors your heart rate, and the pulse ox sensor provides insights into your blood oxygen saturation. The innovative body battery feature helps you understand your energy reserves. It also tracks your sleep, giving you a detailed breakdown of your sleep stages. Regarding power, you can expect up to 14 days of battery life in smartwatch mode, and even more with Power Manager settings, ensuring it keeps up with your active lifestyle for extended periods.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.